YouTube, welcome back to another video where today is, well, chaos. Look at this, real quick. Look at this, you can barely see out the window. It is absolutely chaos. Right now, this isn't a hurricane, but to me, I'm classing this as a hurricane category 1. Yes, I'm classing it as a category hurricane 1. Why? Because this storm has done its first bit of damage. Look at that. Yep, that is definitely a branch on the floor, which I had to remove from the branch because it got struck by lightning. I think if I move downstairs, you will literally see the charred mark. Oh, you can see it just about, if I go under, you can see the charred mark where the lightning actually hit the tree. And that branch is quite sizable because it was hanging over next door neighbour's yard. Oh my god, the camera can't even focus. Focus! Thank you. This thunderstorm has successfully got me giving it its nickname, now Hurricane Category 1. That's right. On the official terms of me and on behalf of America, this thunderstorm... Oh, look at that. Someone's decided to get in the car because they are crackheads. And the only reason why I say this is a category 1, because no thunderstorm I have ever known frigging causes this much wind, this much rain, and that's probably, you're looking at maybe $1,000 worth of damage there. Probably $1,000 worth of damage from that one branch getting struck. I don't know, I'm not exactly a thunderstorm expert, but yeah, this tree in the back is a Mongolia tree, and Mongolia tree is like, they're related to Japan. They're like 300, 400, 500 years old. And they are worth quite a bit of money. So at some point before this started, like literally 5-6 minutes ago, a lightning struck the tree and took a branch down. Now, thunderstorms are nice, they're pretty, I get it. But there's one huge problem with them. Is that thunderstorms can also kill plants. Like, you know, little plant pots all over the place, you know, those little plant pots, they can drown. Look at that. All this rainwater coming here, it's going down there, through, and its own separate water source. There's frigging water down there, and it's literally a frigging stream, lake, whatever you want to call it now. Now, the worst of the fun storm has now passed, but I do also worry because we didn't have the tiling fixed not too long ago. We had the tiling fixed not too long ago, and obviously because of how old this house is, it's like 300 400 years old. This house goes back to the Victorian period. Yeah, I'm worried that it could actually leak through. How? How is this bird flying? There's no way this bird's flying. This other bird, oh my god. These birds are on crack cocaine. Also, I now have a new religion called the Greystall Plays Clan. Our three main idols are Spleens the cat, as shown in the image, Tonsil's the cat, not shown in the image. Oh my god. You hear that? Flipping hell. That was a big one. Jesus Christ. Yeah, anyway, our third main idol is Greystall Plays himself. Now, Greystall Plays is absolutely hilarious. I would 100% go recommend. I 100% go watch his channel, whatever you want to do. Just, oh, for God's sake. Because of this piece of crap, this thing keeps falling down. Patriotism, I feel sorry for you. Anyway. I do feel like my garden is probably going to be completely flooded. Well, not completely, but the bottom of my garden is probably going to be completely flooded. Oh yeah, I've nicknamed the bottom of my garden Jungle Gym, solely because there's like shit ton of weeds and a bunch of crap like that, and they're like 5 foot tall, nearly as tall as me. 10 more inches and it's gonna 10 more inches and it'll be the same height as me. That concerns me. That's what it just does. And yes, I'm trying to get rid of this spot if you're looking at it. Hey, my eyes are up here, by the way. My eyes are up here. My eyes are up here, bitch. My eyes are up here, motherfucker. Eh! Alexa, shut up. Alexa, shut up, you're adopted. Idiot, yo. Anyway guys, if you enjoyed today's video, be sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and also comment down below what video you think I should make a gate. Comment what video I think, comment down below what video you think I should, I'm having a stroke. Comment down below what game you think I should play next. But until then, peace out. Also, Mothman's alive.
Mothman is alive. He's now crying himself to sleep, or he's staring in a corner window. How are these birds flying? Mind you, seagulls are related to Greystone Blaze, and Greystone Blaze is also known as Greystone Breaks Games. Subscribe to Greystone Blaze. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. And no, this is not a filter. This is no edit. I'm not very good at editing, so I might have to rely on my own. Anyway guys, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell.
Nice. Let's go assess the damage. Fuck. Oh my god. Retard! Hey, pal, go out for me. Watch me make this moth suffer. Go out, pal. No, bitch! In, you fat cunt! You are now under arrest, bitch. Give me a sec. Go. Haha. The only way to escape is to go out. What? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Oh, wow. Legit, the moth despawned. If I was a religious person, I would have said, God, stop having a hissy fit! You piece of crap. I should probably get inside before I get struck by lightning. But anyway, that's the branch that got charred off, and you can see the burns right there. Damn. Anyway, you guys, but that was an immediate class. That was an immediate Category 1 hurricane, and that's what I'm going to class it as. So, congratulations England, you now have your first
Category 1 hurricane.
And no, these are not. I forgot what you call them. I actually forgot what you call them. And no, this is not auto-tuned.
This is me completely alternating my voice.
Sorry, I didn't quite understand that one. Please try a little later. Also, I just had a thought. Can you get copyright from a song from a dead singer? Because if it's like trying to copy a song from Michael Jackson, you can't really ask for his permission. Hey, can I use your song? He's dead. So, are you actually able to use a dead singer's song in your video? What? No. And yes, I am in my... Yes, I am in my gun, but I do not give a crap. Stay chuggle. Anyway, like, subscribe, hit the notification. Like, subscribe, like, subscribe, and no, like, hit the notification bell, and spank that subscribe button. And I mean spank it. Spank it like you're spanking your girlfriend's arse. Now, for any women out there, you'll have to find something else to slap. Jesus Christ!